This all-new lightweight version raises the bar even further with injection-molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle scales that reduce the knife's overall weight by almost 10% and offer the enhanced grip traction of Spyderco's signature bidirectional texture pattern. All other features are consistent with the original model, including a full flat ground 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade, full skeletonized stainless steel liners, a 4-position pocket clip, a sturdy liner lock, and a choice of plain edge, combination edge, or spider edge blade configurations. It also comes with a choice of a satin finish or stealthy black oxide coating.
Today at CRKT, we're taking a look at the sleek and simple Pilar. It's an everyday carry pocket knife that those with a well-trained eye can tell this is a Jesper Voxnäs design. He's always wanted to keep things simple, yet interesting. The unique blade shape of the Pilar is great for a wide range of slicing, cutting, and moderate chopping tasks. Overall, this knife measures in at just under 6 inches. The blade is about 2.4 inches long, and this is a compact knife that's lightweight. The weight is about 4.2 ounces, and that's 119 grams. This modified Wharncliffe blade style is complete with a satin finish that complements the overall design of the knife well. It also has a large, comfortable finger choil at the base of the blade to give you maximum cutting control. The frame lock keeps the blade lockup solid and safe when open, and the thumb slot here on the blade makes it super easy when opening and closing. The stainless steel handle has an attractive bead blast finish, and it feels really solid in hand. A reversible clip on the handle side makes for a low-profile tip-up or tip-down carry. There's also a hole at the base of the handle for a lanyard. The story behind the name on this one is pretty cool. Jesper named it after a famous author, Ernest Hemingway's 38-foot-long boat that he used for renegade surveillance of German U-boats during World War II in the Caribbean. Apparently it was Jesper's thought that if Hemingway himself were to choose a modern and useful everyday carry knife, it would look something like this one, so he named it the Pilar.
Hey, it's Kylie from Gerber, and this is the Asada. If you think a cleaver only belongs in the kitchen, think again. We took the classic shape and amped it up for daily use, no matter where that takes you. The finger flipper deployment is seamless with Boss Tech. The ball bearing system delivers smooth, consistent opening every time. The Asada is an EDC folding knife that was designed with style in mind. It's got a cleaver style blade. The full plain edge and classic shape are perfect for utility tasks, big and small. The frame lock is easy to operate with a patented pinch plate. This keeps the user's fingers off the lock bar, ensuring positive deployment. We incorporated fresh trends, colors, and materials to induce some serious blade envy. It's available in 2 blade materials, 7CR stainless steel or D2. Handle material options include anodized aluminum or micarta. If you're looking to make a statement, look no further. If you're looking to make your friends jealous, we've got you covered there too. The Asada is the perfect daily carry if you're looking to take your pocket style up a few notches.
This is the Flat Iron by Gerber. Unique cleaver style blade is ideal for heavy duty chopping tasks or close-in detail work. 7CR stainless steel is tough and resists corrosion. The Flat Iron is available in desert tan textured G10 composite or gray anodized aluminum. A thumb hole in the blade makes it quick and easy to deploy. An oversized choil on the blade gives you precision control. A frame lock with integrated over-travel disc gives you secure, confident lockup and is easy to close. It comes with a short pocket clip, positioned for tip-up carry. The Flat Iron is a versatile, practical, everyday knife with a completely unique look.
Hey, it's Kylie from Gerber, and this is the Sumo. With supersized design and utility, your everyday carry knife has officially bumped up a weight class. It has all the bells and whistles you've come to expect, yet still delivers on what matters: ease of use and safe transport. The Sumo has a no-nonsense design with a central pivot lock. This means one-handed operation in both opening and closing your knife. It has a weight-forward blade that is distinctly oversized and has a full plain edge. The extra heft is sturdy for daily tasks you expect, and the option for a black oxide coating means additional corrosion resistance. The eye-catching handle is crafted of textured G10 for grip, and it's available in 2 colors. The ceramic coated liners deliver an unexpected pop of color when pulled out of your pocket. The whole point of an EDC is that it's on hand when you need it. The Sumo has both a pocket clip and a lanyard hole to stay secure while you're on the go. With its combination of flashy style and undeniable utility, the Sumo will quickly become a favorite in your EDC lineup. This daily carry flat out overpowers any obstacles the day may throw your way. It's called the Sumo for a reason. Like all Gerber products, the Sumo is backed by the Gerber guarantee.